Om Namah Shivaya.
Let's start this week's last tech talk with Oppo. Finally, Oppo Inno Day 2021 is over and Oppo has revealed and launched many new products. Let's talk about them.
The first one is Mari Silicon X chip. This is the first self-developed chip and it is a dedicated image NPU chip independently designed and developed by Oppo. The second announcement is of Oppo Find X series, which is going to be launched in the first quarter of 2022 and will feature Oppo's Mari Silicon X chip. The third product is Oppo Air Glass. These glasses use optical wave guide sapphire lens. It is 6.6 gram lighter with an average eye brightness of 1400 nits. It has a silicon-based micro LED screen with the peak brightness of 30 lakhs nits. It is powered with self-developed Spark micro-optical machine. It has a Snapdragon 4100 chip, 10.5 hours battery life, weighs 30 grams only and will be available in the first quarter of 2022. And the fourth product that is launched is Oppo Find N foldable smartphone. This smartphone has 7.1-inch WQHD Plus E5 AMOLED 120Hz LTPO main display, 5.49-inch FHD Plus 60Hz OLED cover display, Snapdragon 888 processor, 50 megapixel main camera with OIS plus 16 megapixel ultra wide camera plus 13 megapixel macro camera, triple rear camera setup, 32 megapixel selfie snapper on both main screen as well as the cover display, 4500 mAh battery with 33 watt wired, 15 watt wireless and 10 watt reverse wireless charging, side mounted fingerprint sensor, Android 11 with ColorOS 12, LPDDR5 RAM, UFS 3.1 storage, NFC, Bluetooth 5.2, Wi-Fi 6, X-axis linear motor, Gorilla Glass 7 protection. This smartphone is 15.9 mm thick. It weighs 275 grams and has Dolby Atmos powered symmetrical stereo speakers. This smartphone is launched in two variants. The price of 8GB to 56GB variant is yuan 7699, that is around rupees 91,000, and the price of 12GB 512GB variant is yuan 8999, that is around rupees 1,08,000. The first look of Huawei P50 Pocket is here. Realme GT2 Pro will feature industry's first 150-degree wide-angle camera. Samsung announced its Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 officially. This tablet will have 10.5-inch TFT LCD display with 1920 by 1200 pixels resolution, 8 megapixel single rear camera, 5 megapixel front camera, 7040 mAh battery with 7.75 watt charging, quad speakers, Dolby Atmos, 3.5 mm audio jack, USB Type-C for charging and data transfer, Android 11. This tablet is 6.9 mm thick. It weighs 508 grams. Android 11 with One UI 3.1. It comes in 3GB 32GB, 4GB 64GB and 4GB 128GB variants and will be available in grey, silver and pink gold colors.
Netflix has launched a new website called TUDUM.
This website is made to reveal the dates of upcoming movies and web series, exclusive news, interviews, and more. And Netflix India has slashed the prices of monthly subscription, and now the plan starts at just rupees 149 per month.
Digital Chat Station has leaked some expected specifications of ONEPLUS 10 Pro.
This smartphone would feature 6.7-inch 2K 120Hz AMOLED display, 32 megapixel front camera, 48 megapixel plus 50 megapixel plus 8 megapixel triple rear camera setup with 3x zoom, 80 watt wired and 50 watt wireless charging, and will have ColorOS 12 based on Android 12.
MediaTek Dimensity 8000 processor is going to be launched soon.
This processor will be on TSMC's 5nm architecture. It has 4 2.75Hz A78 and 4 2 GHz A55 CPU cores, Mali G510 MC6 GPU. It will support up to 168Hz FHD plus display and 120Hz QHD plus display. It will also support LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 storage.
Redmi K50 series, Oppo Find X series and VIVO'S upcoming smartphone is going to feature MediaTek Dimensity 9000 processor. Honor launched two new smartphones in China named Honor Play 30 Plus 5G and Honor X30 5G. The first one is Honor Play 30 Plus 5G. This smartphone has 6.74-inch HD plus TFT IPS LCD 90Hz 720 by 1600 pixels resolution display, side-mounted fingerprint sensor, TUV RAN certification, MediaTek Dimensity 700 5G processor, 13 plus 2 megapixel dual rear camera setup, 5 megapixel selfie snapper, 5000 mAh battery with 22.5 watt charging, 3.5 audio jack, Android 11 with Magic UI 5.0, 8.62 thick and it weighs 198 grams. This smartphone is launched in 3 variants. The price of 4GB 128GB variant is yuan 1099, that is around rupees 13,000. The price of 6GB 128GB variant is yuan 1299, that is around rupees 15,000. And the price of 8GB 128GB variant is yuan 1499, that is around rupees 21,000. The second smartphone is Honor X30 5G. This smartphone has 6.81-inch TFT IPS LCD, 120Hz refresh rate, 240Hz touch sampling rate, 2388 by 1080 pixels resolution display, Snapdragon 695G 5G processor, 4800 mAh battery with the 66 watt charging, 48 plus 2 megapixel triple rear camera setup, 16 megapixel front camera,
2 GB virtual RAM support, 8.05 thick, it weighs 189 grams, it runs on Android 11 with Magic UI 5.0. This smartphone is also launched in 3 variants. The price of 6GB 128GB variant is yuan 1499, that is around rupees 21,000. The price of 8GB 128GB variant is yuan 1699, that is around rupees 22,000. And the price of 8GB 256GB variant is yuan 1999, that is around rupees 24,000.
This is all in today's Tech Talks. I hope you like it. Please like, subscribe and share my videos with your friends and family. Now I will see you all on Monday with the next fresh episode of Tech Talks by Bal. I wish you a very happy weekend. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, save water and don't forget to wear the mask.